Alright, so if you guys seen from the last video, we blew up our motor. I picked up this just beauty of a motor. It seems like it's got compression, so I'm feeling hopeful. Exact same as usual, 2.3. Came out of an 83 Mustang, at least that's what's written in paint marker. Came with an automatic transmission, so we toyed with the idea of playing with an automatic, but we aren't quite sure yet. We have the world-class T5 still, but yeah, now so we have a hopefully good bottom end that we either are going to just run it the way it is and see how she goes just to get things going, or put that other head that we put on last week onto this motor. Potentially might just even end up changing up the cam, but it seems like there's some decent compression there. This is our new unit for now. So it'll be, she's ugly. We paid 300 bucks for her, so not too bad. Probably in the same video, we're gonna end up doing, pulling that other motor out and pull it apart and see what's going on. I kind of feel like the crank did a cylinder delete, because there's no big banging or tinging or anything like that, but when we pulled the dipstick out, it in a Z pattern, which is typically not good. All right, so we got the junkyard motor on a stand. The head off. It's not super great looking, as you can tell from the inside, or the outside. The inside doesn't look too much better, but I'm just getting ready to drop the pan, see what happens. So like I said, it's not super clean, it's not super nice looking. We got another motor on the way anyways, and then we got one being built, so we have a little bit of back category of motors going on. So to experiment a little bit and try something out doesn't really hurt my feelings. It's a good thing I'm pulling this pan off, because I think there's a hole in it. I will show you that in a minute. But in the meantime, I'm gonna pull this pan off, see what the internals look like. Everything was moving decently inside, so I mean, we got that going for us. We're gonna see what's what. Okay, so we pulled the head off this thing just to see what is going on here, and to make it a little bit easier to get this thing back in here. And as we turn the motor over, you can see 1, 2, and 3, they do some work, but number 4 doesn't want to play. Yep, there's your problem. We're gonna have to open up the old backs, the bottom side, and see what's going on back there. There was no big tinging, so I don't think it was a rod. I think the crank went. We're gonna find out soon though. Real soon. Alright, so we're getting ready to pull this motor out. Everything's unbolted. I didn't bother filming or anything like that. So I'm just getting ready to strap up a sling so we can sling this baby up, move the forklift, get it out. Pulled the other motor apart yesterday and cleaned it up a little bit so it doesn't look so cruddy. So it doesn't look too bad underneath. I don't know if you guys can hear me at all. Toby's grinding. So, but yeah, looking much better. Might hit it with another. Just hit the outside of the block with some muriatic acid and clean it up a little bit more. We'll see. But let's pull his motor up first. Alright, yeah, so we have the old motor flipped over. We got the new motor painted up a little bit to match. Let's take a peek inside here. We haven't taken a peek yet. Let's see what she looks like. Oh. Oh, there you are. Yeah, that's why she don't run no more. This is literally the first time we've opened this. Ooh, come take a peek, see, Tobe. It's broken. It deleted itself and it didn't grenade. Saved the block. There's your problem, you ain't got no gas in it. There is chunks everywhere. It's a Zuzu motor, it's 3-cylinder.
still connected though. That's amazing. Bet you the rings are still good.
It's all for science. Oh, water boy. Update. I haven't been filming much because I've been trying to hammer down. Motor's back in the car. Plugs are in, wires are on, exhaust is on. This is the head that we ran last week. So we're trying this one out. I'm still waiting for some stuff to come in, but we painted the block a nice pinky color, and then we painted the oil pan a nice white color. Yes, it's real pretty. The motor's timed out. We're just getting ready to do the actual timing with the timing light and set the overall timing. But it was kind of nice buying another motor. We got these nice lifting holes now when you ever have to pull this thing back out, probably when the next motor is built.
Pinky! Junkyard dog!
Can you do the fry burger?
What's a fry burger?
When he goes like really high?
Oh!
That's a no. My money don't jiggle jiggle. It folds like a sense of wiggle wiggle. Oh, show. Make me wanna dribble dribble. You know. Riding in my feet. Really gotta see it. 6'2" in a compact. No worries, the seats fold back.
Ooh, that seems wrong.
Something seems a little...
I think we're wrong again. Modules plugged in.
3. Uh-oh.
Do it again.
2 and 4.
Every fucking time, man.
Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna have to we're gonna do a little test and tune out back, like a little bit more test and tune than we did in the last head swap. Let's see how old Pinky can do here. No, it didn't even catch fire. That non-heat enameled paint.
It hasn't seen that RPM in who knows how long. It's been sitting in that fucking van. That thing's a fucking rocket. Holy shit. It just like ripped past it.
Illegal?
It could be.
It works good other than the fact that there's no brakes.
You don't need brakes.
Brakes don't work. I went flying into the scrap pile back there. I'm just like, oh god! There's a nice big hole there.